Clement with Kathy by Design. I'm glad you could join me today. I am revealing the contents of a special scrapbook expo card kit that I'm doing for the Button Farm Club. This is going to be the cutest kit. We are using Echo Park's Salutations #1 paper collection. We have the 12 by 12 collection kit that comes with a sticker sheet. It comes with all these wonderful cut aparts. I'll just go through these very quickly. And you're going to get 2 sheets of each pattern in this kit, I believe. Yes. So these are the cut aparts that we just looked at. Now these are the patterns on the back. Really beautiful spring colors, happy images, wonderful little calico prints. I love this leafy floral, beautiful florals. And then to coordinate with that, we have 6 12 by 12 sheets of the color matched cardstock, which coordinates perfectly with the papers. It makes it so easy to put together a really finished project. Great colors, right? Then you're also going to get 4 sheets of 12 by 12 white cardstock for our card bases. You're going to get the ephemera pack that comes with, that is part of the collection. All these little wonderful frames and things are great for layering elements. And as an add-on, you can choose to add this wonderful designer stamp set from Echo Park that is themed to the paper collection. So this is the Thanks stamp set. You're going to get a package of blue wooden buttons, 8.5 yards of thread, and 2 yards, I believe this is 2 yards of white seam binding. Look at these little shaker elements to go in our shaker card. So cute and perfect match. And then a whole package of little birdie beaded blooms in moonlight, and another package of beaded fancies in pearl pink to go with the collection, and then some craft doilies. In addition to all of these goodies, you will get a basic written guide with full color photos, measurements, and basic tips for making each card, and then access to private video links where I am actually making the cards with you step by step. So it kind of covers all the different learning styles. It's a very complete tutorial. I think you will enjoy this. So you can order this today from Button Farm Club, and I'll come back in a bit and show you what we're going to be making. So don't go away. All right, guys, look at how many cards we make from this kit. It is truly astonishing. We have one of my signature window envelope shaker cards filled with these darling little posies, and there's a gift card pocket inside. We have these precious itty bitty little gift enclosure cards. So cute. We have this lovely 4x4 card, and I think there are 2 of those. Actually, we did 3 4x4 cards, but I show you how to take a 4x4 card base and make it 3 different ways. How cool is that? And then we have a great little accordion folio that is a super brag book, complete with flips and flaps and pockets. We have these wonderful, just all occasion greeting cards with a pop-up element on the inside. Very fun. We have 2 of those. Super fun. Then we have this really beautiful easel card with a gift card pocket. We have these little tab turn cards with a pop-up on the inside. There are 2 of these. Totally adorable. We have 3 little dimensional gift tags. Very sweet. These will just make a package look beautiful. And then there's a bonus card. Believe it or not, I found enough in my scraps left over to make a really beautiful bonus card. So this is everything that you get in this wonderful Button Farm Club kit. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Order yours today at the Button Farm Club. This is Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design. Go get your craft on.